Hello everyone. Let's move on to the next tag inside the head element. So the next one would be base. The base tag helps in indicating the base address for all the relative links or URLs used on the page. If it is not provided, browser will assume the current URL as the base URL. So what the base tag is talking here is base tag helps in indicating the base address. Say for example, you are creating a link to some other image file. You want to display a logo in the HTML page. So that logo will be stored somewhere in the folder, isn't it? So or it could be it could be from some other website, whatever. So there is a we need to understand uh, between the relative URL and the absolute URL. So when you say there is an image under your C drive, so C slash images under logo.png will be the absolute URL. Whereas if you say only logo.png, it is the relative URL. So how the HTML document handles in both these cases? When I say in the HTML document that you have to pick an image from C images logo.png, it will just go and pick the URL or the image from there directly. But if you just give logo.png, what would it do? It will search in the relative folder where your project is present or where your HTML file is present. Say for example, your HTML file is present in C drive. So when you say logo.png in your HTML file, it will again try to search in the C drive, not actual inside the images folder. So that's the difference now. So in case if you want to keep the default relative URL or the default absolute URL for any reference that you make in the HTML page, you can mention it using base tag, and any link, whether it is absolute or relative, you can mention it using, this base tag would be able to resolve it. So maybe I can just explain it more by showing a demo. Let's quickly jump on to the demo. So I'll just open the same document that I have created earlier. Let me add something here. So as you are seeing here, it is the base tag that we have added and href. So href is basically the reference. I've just given it as a google.co.in. Here you can just say C folder, images folder, or C doc colon forward slash images, or whatever URL, whatever folder you want to do. And then I've just added a anchor tag which we'll discuss in very detail in the next video. And again for anchor tag it will help in displaying the link in the page. And again we have to mention the reference text.xml without here I've just given the relative HTML file. So this HTML file doesn't know where is this text.html file. So it will interpret that using this base URL. So after google.co.in, inside the google.co.in, it will try to search the text.html page. So it assumes that in the Google server our text.html page is residing. Maybe let's try to understand it better by rendering the page. I'll just save it, opening it. You see that the link is been displayed. This is the purpose of anchor tag. I'll just click. Please watch the URL here. Just click here. You see the base URL. It is taking from the google.co.in the base URL, and then it is appending the text.html. Because there is no text.html, it is giving us a format error. So this is the purpose of base tag. Thank you for watching.